Welcome to Solaire North.
Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel! So medyo matagal din ako hindi nakapag-vlog and recently nga nagstay kami sa Solaire Resort North. This is a newly opened luxury hotel sa bandang north ng Metro Manila, malapit sa Trinoma and SM North EDSA. So we had a wonderful overnight stay. And yung room namin is located sa 23rd floor. So in this video, i-share ko sa inyo yung room tour as well as yung tour around the hotel. Tara, samahan nyo ako at ito-tour ko kayo dito sa Solaire Resort North.
Welcome to Solaire North. Ayan. First time ko dito. And itutur ko kayo sa room ng Solaire North. This is a king size bed. And then on this side, merong malaking television. I think this is 55 inches television. And then this is the mini bar. So here, meron tayong ref. And then filled na rin siya with some drinks. And then this is the console table with some drawers. Ayan. Merong tea, coffee, and some snacks. On this side naman is a sitting area against the yung window. And then may view siya. Siyempre open natin using the controls beside the table or beside your bed. Has a very nice view of the city. So this is EDSA. As you could see, yun yung MRT North EDSA station. This is Trinoma, and dun sa kabila is yung SM North EDSA. So Solaire North is very accessible kasi kung mag-MRT ka lang, pwede naman from MRT North EDSA. And then yung Trinoma and SM North, pwede ring walking distance lang. So ayan, this is the bed. Very nice. So parang same lang din siya with yung beds ng Solaire sa may Paranaque, which is Solaire Resort Entertainment City. Ganito rin kaganda. This is king size bed. So perfect for couples or for small families with kids. Here naman is merong cabinets. So yan, merong safety deposit box and some drawers. And then here naman, clothes hanging area with some bathrobe. And then meron din complimentary mga slippers and iron and ironing board. And then here merong malaking full-size mirror. Then let's check naman yung toilet and bath.
So this is the toilet and bath. So merong enclosed na shower area, and this is the water closet. And then this is the vanity or the sink. Dalawa yung sink. So okay lang kung dalawa kayo. Very spacious nung sink. And then the bathtub. So yeah, then meron pang mga paintings sila dyan. And marble talaga yung mga walls and even the flooring. It's very clean and well lit and very nice. So compared to Solaire Resort sa Paranaque, yung mga fixtures na ginamit nila dito is gold plated. And then meron din mga complimentary toiletries. Ayan, such as shower cap, comb, shaving kit, dental kits. Meron ding lotion. Ayan, ang brand, Lorenzo Villoresi. Body lotion, and then bath soap. And here pa, meron pa rin yan, bath soap. I think this is bath salt. Yan. Kung gusto mo mag-relax dito sa bathtub, yan. So, meron ding complimentary shampoo, conditioner, shower gel, and also bath soap.